Hi Motu. Where are you sitting? Hi. Hi Motu. Hi Laddu. You're looking like a laddu. Huh? Can I touch you? Can I touch your crust? Very nice. Oi, Ray. Motu, you're so adorable. You're so adorable. Very nice. Motu, come. Come on my hand. Au revoir. Now Motu is sitting on my hand. Show your eyes. Height of cuteness. Motu is so cute. Motu is so cute. Long feathers, tails. Motu is so cute. Motu, look. Look here. Arey wow, Motu. Very nice. Now Motu, go back on your favorite stand and sit. Very nice. Now Motu is sitting. Laddu is sitting.